Unquestionably, Panda Express is my husband's favorite fast food, particularly their well-known orange chicken. He's so addicted to it, it's something he could just have every day, 7 days a week. I'm, on the other hand, still not so convinced. It might be my Chinese upbringing, somehow chicken shouldn't taste sweet in my mind. Nevertheless, I'm going to recreate this famous Chinese-American classic after dining in one of their restaurants in the US. We're now in San Diego, in Panda Express. And we ordered fried rice, teriyaki chicken, world famous orange chicken, and mixed vegetable. Cherry Coke. Cherry Coke. It's some American fast food, Chinese food. One thing I noticed about Panda Express, although they are all called the same name, the tastes aren't necessarily the same. I use chicken breasts here, 600 gram, only because they are very lean and easy to work with. You can also choose chicken thigh, which is much tender. Cut them to bite sizes, about 1 to 2 centimeters cubes. Marinate our chicken pieces with 1 whole egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of white pepper. To coat the egg wash evenly around each chicken bite, the best way is to get our hands dirty. To add more flavor, grate 1 tablespoon of ginger and about the same amount of garlic. Stir them well, don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil before deep frying. In order to get the perfect crunchy chicken bites, we need to make some flour mixture. Mix 100 grams of regular flour, 25 grams of cornstarch or potato starch, 1 teaspoon of sticky rice flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Pour 1 liter of vegetable oil into a medium-sized pot. Turn the stove to medium heat and heat up the oil to about 160 to 190 degrees Celsius. Coat the chicken with a thin layer of our crispy powder. Pat off any excess flour before dropping them one by one into the hot oil to prevent them from sticking. Take them out once they are golden brown. Repeat this process for a few times. After finished deep frying all of them, just put them all back into the same pot and give them a quick fry for a few minutes. It will keep them crunchy even the next day. To make the orange sauce, we need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or 3/4 cup of orange juice. I believe the strong orange flavor isn't from the juice but the zest, 12 grams. Then 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine or rice wine. To assemble it all together, heat up the wok on medium heat. Pour in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Sauté a couple teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, and 1 spring onion minced. Once they release their fragrance, pour in the orange sauce we prepared earlier. You probably need to give them a quick stir first to melt the sugar quickly. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes into the sauce to add a hint of spiciness. Dilute half tablespoon of cornstarch with a half cup of water. Once the sauce starts boiling, add the cornstarch water to thicken the sauce. It will turn from white to transparent in just a few seconds. Pour in all our deep-fried chicken quickly into the wok and try to coat them with the thick sauce evenly. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil if you want to make them even glossier, and some minced spring onion at the end. This orange chicken tastes just like the ones from Panda Express, if not better. Serve them with fried rice or noodles. Enjoy! Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。